So we will start with the storm door. You have an 1.25 inch thick storm door. It's on a 3-inch hinge system. The door is all aluminum. The difference in thickness, it'll give you a little bit more stability versus the 7/8 of an inch that our competitors are using. You have a low kick plate on it. If it is kicked, it's less likely to push in. And you have a lot more strength down at the bottom, so that when the storm door, if it blows open, it's less likely to be sprung. You have a fiberglass door core. It's 1.75 inch, which is a standard residential thickness. Locks, the actual lock is mortise, so it's not your standard drive-in latch. You have a 3.5 inch satin nickel hinge system on it. Everything is radius, where we don't use anything at square, including the mortising on it. You have a thermal brake on the threshold. The weather strip that goes around it is replaceable. That is things that we do stock. We do consider all the weather strips and the sweep of the door to be considered maintenance, almost like changing oil on a vehicle. As you close the door, this rubber is going to rub up against the aluminum down here, and over time, if it does rip, it did its job. The core itself is paintable and stainable. It's a gel stain that you can get from any hardware store. One thing on the mini blinds to keep in mind, people can, you can mess with these, but when they go to carry the door, move the door, anything, install it, it needs to be in the upright position. If not, when you're carrying it, all these little pieces will get intertwined, and the only way to get it out would be to work it and tap, which usually results in replacing the window. The jam system, it is plywood jam, high glue content, and it's actually dipped, so you can kind of tell that it has coating on it. So that's going to help with with rotting, bowing, anything like that. If you look, actually you can see in here, you can see how dense the plywood is. And once again, you have residential hardware that's already on the door at a 45 degree to help with locking. And you can see the construction of it. All of our competitors use staples. We use screws in all the corners and at the bottom, and we put this added piece of support of aluminum there